Are you looking for the best router bits? Here we will break down the top 7 best router bits on the market. In this video, have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Yanuko 17700 270-bit router bit set. Yanuko 17702 router bit can be used on projects on a commercial scale and around the house. Instead of buying different pieces separately, which would cost you more in the long run, this product comes with all the frequently used and vital pieces. With this complete set, you can undertake any kind of woodworking job, both commercially and domestically. This router bit set comes with 70 different pieces. Despite that great number, you will not have any issues differentiating or identifying the piece you want to use. One unique feature of this set is that it has considerably long shanks. Unlike older versions, this model features long 1/2-inch shanks. All the pieces of this router bit set are made from industrial-grade materials, and they are all carbide tipped. Thanks to the long shanks, you can either hold the portable router bits in your hands or mount them on a table while working. The long shanks also give the user more room for making adjustments. This product also comes with a wooden box to hold all the pieces in one place. The box has 2 keyholes at the back to enable you to hang it where you can access it easily and quickly. If you are looking for a budget-friendly yet hassle-free operation and premium features router bits, then we recommend this set. At number 2. Hiltex 10100 Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. The first router bit set to take a look at is this collection from Hiltex. This is a very well organized and efficient router bit set that comes in an attractive and useful wooden box. This is great for the occasional amateur woodworker who wants to keep things tidy, but also helps keep a professional well organized. The router bits themselves are made of strong alloy steel, which is very durable and resistant to heat. The precision with which the carbide tips are formed will help give an accurate and consistent cut in any wood. They also come in a universal 1/4-inch shank size, which means they will fit any router. The 15 bits in this set make up one of the largest sets available, yet they match this convenience with a relatively affordable price. The attractive wooden storage box and universal 1/4-inch shanks make this a very convenient set for all carpenters, whether you are an amateur or a professional. At number 3. Hiltex 10108 Tungsten Carbide Router Bit Set. The Hiltex Tungsten Carbide Router Bit Set is excellent for various projects, including edging, trimming, veining, and grooving, making it perfect for door panels and picture frames. The 1/4 shank bits are made from precisely machine-cut tungsten carbide that you can sharpen to maintain edges. The 24-piece router bit set comes in a wooden case that labels and shows an image of each bit. Styles included without ball bearings are a mortising bit, combination bevel, dovetail, 90-degree V-groove, round nose, panel pilot, and a straight bit. The styles with ball bearings include trimming, flush trim, radius round over bit, cove, 45-degree chamfer, Roman OG, slot cutter, and rebating. At number 4. MLCS 8377 15-piece router bit set. MLCS 8377 15-piece router bit set is a high-quality all-purpose carbide tip set containing bits of any style and size. Overall, 15 pieces of bits are provided inside the wooden case. Apart from the bits, the box includes a bearing to turn the bits from beating to over bit and an Allen wrench. The wooden case is too sturdy to maintain the safety of the tools inside it. At number 5. Freed Adjustable Tongue 99036. The tongue and groove bits are commonly used when cutting to create a joint. With adjustable bits, there is a small dial that you adjust to change the height and width of the tongue or groove. This allows you to use the bit for different cuts without having to switch bits. These are the best tongue and groove bits that money can buy. The precision and balance are hard to match, thanks to the quality manufacturing processes used by Freud. You should not need to replace either bit for some time, even when cutting through tough materials. The quality of the bits is also backed by a lifetime warranty by the manufacturer. The company stands behind their products, which is another reason to consider spending the extra money on durable bits such as these. At number 6. Maester CNC Router Bits. If you require a router bit with a thinner shank for more intricate and precise cutting, these bits from Maester may be an excellent option for you. With an inch shank diameter, these bits are the smallest in the list and are the best option in that size due to their price tag. This is one of the more affordable sets available, so it should not be overlooked if you require an inch shank. With this low price tag, they come in a simple but cheap plastic case. This is more than good enough for holding them in, although a professional may want something a bit more organized. The bits have a high level of precision through their well-made carbide tips, and this also keeps them durable and resistant. Not only this, but Maester boast about the wide range of wood types that these can cut into. These are basic and affordable router bits in smaller shank diameter, making them perfect for more intricate grooving and engraving. At number 7. Dremel 692 6-piece router bit set. The Dremel 6-piece router bit set gives you 6 high-quality bits constructed of high-speed steel. However, you should explore the details of this set before ordering. The manufacturer recommends that you do not use these bits with speeds exceeding 30,000 RPM. However, most handheld routers have a range of 8,000 to 24,000 RPM. Unless you are using these bits in an industrial setting, you should not have a problem with this limitation. These are quality bits and suited for regular use without noticeable wear and tear unless you use them regularly on harder materials. They have been carefully crafted for balance and precision and feature the standard carbide tips. The remaining 4 bits are not the most commonly used bits. You get a piloted beating router bit, corner rounding bit, core box bit, and a chamfer router bit. The cost per bit is right in the middle compared to other brands. You are getting 6 quality bits that are suitable for a wide range of uses, including heavy-duty renovation work. The durability of these bits makes them suitable for professional work or woodworking projects and home renovations. However, they may start to wear or break when used regularly on hardwoods.